Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to copy and share Behance profile link. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the top right corner, go to your profile icon and then go to your Behance profile. Now in here, to copy your URL, simply click on this URL field, then right click on it and select copy. Now, you have your profile URL. To share it, you can simply paste it on an email or any messages or social media platform to share it to others. Because if they go to another site and then if they paste the link that you copied, it will bring them to your profile in Behance. Now, this will allow you to have clients for them to know more about you. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.